Welcome to Smart Agri Hub. Today we explore effective strategies for managing ORF, commonly referred to as sore mouth in sheep. This contagious disease can pose significant challenges for farmers, impacting animal health and productivity. We will highlight practical solutions that can help reduce the spread of ORF and support the well-being of your flock. By understanding key management practices, you can better protect your sheep and maintain a healthy operation. ORF is a viral infection that spreads easily among sheep, with young lambs being especially vulnerable. The disease causes painful sores around the mouth and muzzle, making it difficult for affected animals to eat and thrive. This can lead to reduced weight gain and overall poor health in your flock. Additionally, ORF can impact farm productivity by increasing veterinary costs and requiring extra care for sick animals. Understanding the risks associated with ORF is essential for maintaining the well-being of your sheep and the efficiency of your operation. ORF is a contagious viral disease that primarily affects sheep and goats. The virus spreads through direct contact with infected animals or contaminated surfaces, especially when there are cuts or abrasions on the skin. Young lambs and animals with weakened immune systems are particularly at risk. Overcrowded living conditions and poor hygiene can further increase susceptibility. Understanding these causes and risk factors is essential for effective prevention and control of the disease. Recognizing the early symptoms of ORF is crucial for timely intervention. Look for the appearance of blisters and scabs, particularly around the mouth, nostrils, and face. These lesions often start as small, raised bumps before developing into noticeable sores. Early identification can help prevent the spread of the infection and ensure appropriate care. Being aware of these signs is especially important in environments where ORF is known to occur. ORF is a contagious viral disease that primarily affects sheep, causing painful sores around the mouth and muzzle. These lesions can make it difficult for sheep to eat, leading to reduced feed intake and subsequent weight loss. In severe cases, the infection may spread to other parts of the body or become complicated by secondary bacterial infections. Young lambs are especially vulnerable, as feeding difficulties can quickly impact their growth and overall health. If left unmanaged, ORF can significantly affect the well-being and productivity of a flock. Diagnosing ORF in your flock involves closely observing the animals for characteristic signs, such as scabby sores around the mouth, nostrils, and sometimes the feet or udders. Early detection is crucial, as ORF is highly contagious and can spread rapidly among sheep and goats. If you notice these symptoms, isolate affected animals immediately to minimize transmission. Laboratory tests such as PCR or virus isolation can confirm the diagnosis if needed. Prompt and accurate identification helps protect the health of your entire flock. Effective control of ORF begins with strong biosecurity measures. Limiting access to your flock, disinfecting equipment, and isolating new or sick animals can significantly reduce the risk of disease introduction and spread. Regularly inspecting animals for early signs of ORF allows for prompt intervention. Good flock management also includes maintaining clean, dry living conditions and minimizing stress among animals. By combining these strategies, you can help protect your flock from outbreaks and maintain overall herd health. Vaccination plays a crucial role in preventing ORF among sheep. To achieve the best results, it's important to vaccinate lambs at a young age, typically when they are between 1 and 3 months old. The vaccine is usually applied to a small area of skin, often on the inside of the thigh or ear, using a special applicator. Proper timing and technique ensure the development of immunity before the animals are exposed to the virus. Regular vaccination, combined with good management practices, greatly reduces the risk of ORF outbreaks in your flock. Maintaining good hygiene is essential for controlling the spread of ORF among livestock. Regularly cleaning and disinfecting equipment, such as feeding troughs and grooming tools, helps eliminate potential sources of infection. It's also important to promptly isolate any animals showing signs of ORF to prevent the disease from spreading to healthy members of the herd. By consistently applying these practical measures, the risk of outbreaks can be significantly reduced. When treating affected sheep, it's important to provide supportive care to help them recover. Ensure the animals have access to clean water and high-quality feed, as proper nutrition supports their immune system. Isolate sick sheep to prevent the spread of disease and monitor them closely for any changes in condition. Administer prescribed medications as directed by a veterinarian, and consider using antibiotics if there is a risk of secondary bacterial infections. Maintaining a clean and stress-free environment further aids in their recovery and reduces the likelihood of complications. Observing your flock closely is essential for ensuring their health and well-being. Look for signs of recovery, such as increased activity, improved appetite, and normal behavior. If you notice persistent symptoms like lethargy, loss of appetite, or unusual droppings, it may indicate that further intervention is needed. In these cases, do not hesitate to consult a veterinarian for professional advice. Early action can make a significant difference in the outcome for your birds. ORF is a contagious viral infection that primarily affects sheep and goats, but it can also be transmitted to humans, especially farm workers who handle these animals. The virus enters the body through cuts or abrasions on the skin, leading to painful sores, usually on the hands or fingers. To reduce the risk of zoonotic transmission, it is important to wear protective gloves and practice good hand hygiene after handling animals or contaminated equipment. Promptly cleaning and covering any skin wounds can further minimize exposure. By following these precautions, farm workers can significantly lower their chances of contracting ORF from livestock. ORF is a contagious viral disease that affects sheep, often leading to painful sores around the mouth and muzzle. One common mistake in managing ORF is neglecting early detection, which allows the infection to spread rapidly within the flock. Improper sanitation and failure to isolate affected animals can further exacerbate outbreaks. To avoid these issues, it's important to regularly inspect sheep for symptoms, maintain clean living conditions, and promptly separate any infected individuals. By taking these steps, farmers can promote healthier sheep and improve overall productivity. In this video, we explored essential strategies for effective livestock management, from optimizing animal health to improving farm productivity. We discussed practical tips that can make a real difference in your daily operations. Staying informed and applying expert advice is crucial for success in the agricultural industry. For more valuable insights and the latest updates in livestock management, consider subscribing to Smart Agri Hub.